In this video, I'm going to show you a quick recycle, reuse, repurpose. I made this necklace a while ago and I really didn't get a chance to wear it, but then I had a pair of flip-flops. They were $40 originally, but since I worked at the store, I got a discount. But they had these really pretty little special crystal things on them. So when I couldn't use the flip-flops and I couldn't sell it, I decided to take these things off the flip-flops and create a necklace design with it. So I reused this, reused these, and repurposed them for decoration on this necklace. So you'll see me wearing this. I'll wear it a lot because I think these crystals are so pretty. And I wanted to show you guys that. I'm going to do another video where I actually talk about some other things, but thanks for watching.